Welcome to my home lab. This new video, we're going to show you how to use VS Code with a remote SSH to develop on a server. If you don't have Visual Studio Code, you can download it for Windows, Linux and Mac, and it's free. Today we're going to use Visual Studio Code for remote development. You see it here. You have the local PC. In our case, it's Windows. And we're going to develop on our Fedora server from previous videos. In this first video, we're going to remote development using SSH with a password. In the second video, we're going to do it without a password, with SSH keys. Here we have all the information you need. We open Visual Studio Code. The first thing I want to show you is to create a profile. You see, I have many profiles. The default, the Fedora Server, the profile I want to use today, my home lab from previous videos, also Java, and for my name. If you want to create a new profile, you click on New Profile, you give it a name, you can change the icon, you can select the template, or you can choose from existing profiles. You can change the contents and create it. But I have my profile already. I cancel and we select the Fedora Server profile. Close that. The second thing is to go to the extensions. If you open that, you have the popular extensions. We're gonna choose Remote SSH. See it here from Microsoft. It's very popular. You have a lot of information. And we click on Install. The extension is installed. See, installed, Remote SSH, the popular I'm going to close. You have Remote SSH, Remote SSH editing the configuration, and the Remote Explorer. These three things are installed. Now we're going to use it. To connect to our server, we have here on the bottom left an icon, open a remote window. Click on it. You can do connect to host or connect current window to host. I do the current window. You see, I have a lot of connections from previous videos. I'm going to click on configure SSH host. You see the path from the config file, and here we have the file. All these hosts are from previous videos, you see, from Open Media Vault and from another server. We go to the bottom, enter, and do host. Give it a name. You can choose whatever you want. I do Fedora host server. Give a tab, host name, the IP address from the server, it's 192.168.129.9, also from previous videos. Enter, Again, tab, user. If you remember from previous videos, it's my name, the username. We can also do port 22, but that's default, so we don't need. For now, that's enough. We can close it and save it. We can go again to open a remote window, current window to host, and you see we have Fedora Server. We can click on Fedora Server. For the first time, we need to select Linux, Windows, or Mac OS. In our case, it's a Linux. And we need the password for our server. Enter. See, downloading Visual Studio Code Server. You selected Linux, okay, and we are connected. See it here, we are at the home on my account. Also from previous videos, you know, we have Docker, images, and the network share. Today we select Docker. Okay. Again, the password. Yes, I trust the authors, of course, it's me. I can trust authors to all files from the parent video, and yes, yes. You see it here, the directory is empty, but that's for another video. In the next video, we're gonna connect to our server with a remote SSH, but without a password. Therefore, we're gonna create a pair of SSH keys. See you in the next video. So, this is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you very much and see you later.